Do you ever wonder what it's like to be irreplaceable in your company or your organization? Well, one of my clients in my executive coaching program has asked this question in terms of how do I become irreplaceable? She's an executive in her organization and she wants to continue working there. So she asked me this, she posed this question to me on one of our weekly coaching calls. And she asked me, how do I become irreplaceable? Is it even possible to be irreplaceable, or is that just the concept that people invented? Well, I answered her question and I thought to myself, well, how many others might be wondering the same thing? So my team and I put together this clip. We just cut out this clip where I answered my client's question on irreplaceability, and I'm sharing with you right here on my YouTube channel. So enjoy the answer to that question and comment below. Let me know what you think and let me know if this served you as well. Okay, your last question was, how do you make yourself irreplaceable? Is there even such a thing? So there's no, okay, with respects to replaceability, right? What you're talking about is absolute irreplaceability. And of course, there are no absolutes. So if you're thinking about, I want to make myself absolutely irreplaceable, irrevocably, unquestionably irreplaceable, well, then that's a tall order, because remember, life gives you both an equal balance of opposites. What you can do is increase your probability of having value in your industry and in your organization, which makes you more irreplaceable than you used to be. That's the progression. That's the mindset. How can I be more valuable in my industry, in my team, and in my organization at large? And the more valuable I can be, the person I can be, then the more irreplaceable I will have become compared to what I used to be. That's the progression. So irreplaceability goes back to your corporate values, the company's values, and your leaders' values. How can you continuously help them fulfill those values? Who do you need to become to continuously help them fulfill those values? What skills do you need to constantly develop to help them fulfill those values? What new knowledge and new information and new individuals do you need to bring on to help them fulfill those values, and so on? It's a progress, it's a journey. We never arrive like a destination of, oh, now I'm irreplaceable. I can relax now. It's not a destination like that. It's a constant journey. Right? So this is about when you become more irreplaceable compared to where you were before, now you become more of an asset. You're the asset. And the way that I think about it is your team members are the greatest assets in the organization. Your team members, yourself, every person in that organization are the assets. The assets are not the vendors. It's not the cash in the bank, right? It's not the products that they have in the supply chain. No, the greatest assets are the people. So this, like, how can I become greater and greater asset every year? How can I become a greater asset to them year on year, quarter on quarter? And it's a journey. It's a journey. And if you find that once you develop a skill that you didn't have last year, or you develop new knowledge that you didn't have last year, you better believe it. You've become more irreplaceable than you were last year. That's how it works.